Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so ensemble air koso e social media na ya akoye say wo bia e on the side of the story. Assembly ni GCB Bank formerly known as Ghana Commercial Bank this year you're from GCB Bank Limited. Me to me aka say and America said they are the biggest government owned bank in Ghana. Ati say GCB Dear see and they say a branch be betron say be ewo Facebook e man crofo etwabo GCB ye say GCB negligent e ma branch no say be ne maame eba Adabraka branch of GCB na ne maame ewu GCB for emfi e ma ne maame efri mu yaya ne maame a wo ye customer e ma bank no oba banko na trese wo wu na so wo mo emfi no. Now, GC before ehun said that asem way a branch ebeka ewo Facebook, a branch friend Raymond. Asem way Raymond ebeka wo Facebook no. Nkofo bebre twabo GCB. Say wo mudin into omo so e de omo side of the story aba. Wo mo trese that asem say net na the branch no ye no e wo m say odi yaw. Now so yaw di a wo di no ene ntrese wo de befa so asay yedin. Nti GCB so e de omo story aba betudwa. Now, GC before story no, the first point I want to make here and say, so a branch na branch and can say mo Facebook no, the branch and can say GCB branch ewo Adabraka. GCB branch ewo Adabraka. GC before so trese dabi, the branch and can enye ne kre because GCB branch as asem no esi no enye Adabraka. Branch be a friend of Boundary Road branch. And our moka say yes by 11:15. And a mammy a branch and I can answer no. Mammy a friend of Madam Patience Esther Kuma. Mammy no and the back era GCB ho. And I just like any other bank no security. Satana security no your bar. And a security no. Ebi epono door no. Emma mammy no and the back. Na maame ne ba ne wiemu no na GCB ho ehwa yema na ehwa yema atrese onya maame ne nya bebia entena na clearly no na obehu ne se maame no oyobi a ase ne ho edodo ne kakra nti security woman no e ka se okay wo de ne konwa ma maame no we ye GCB fo asema wo mo kan ye nia ne yeni ho but wo mo kan wo asema wo se security woman no edi ne konya ma maame no se maame ne ntina se ntino maame no wo betena se no na e wo se ne ba no eso ni mu ma ne tena se nti maame ne ye se wo tena se na trese se wontumi antena se ye na se wo bo fo mu se ne side ekobo konya no na trese enimu ho na maame no onkeka ne ho biom ne ba ne pre wo so maame no maame ne mfi nti na afei obi a wo bank obi ehunu ne say ede na to mami nti wo hwa enkrata GC before the buy wo hwa wo mo third point wo mo say hardly had she sat in a chair then she slumped to her left in a chair and remained motionless. That is a mami ne yes wo betena sia na twese ne ho ebo konwa na ehwa enimonimu ho na wonkeka ne ho biom. Now what was say the daughter started shaking her frantically in an attempt to resuscitate her. 2 customers and 2 GCB staff who were in the banking hall at the time and saw what was happening were the first to rush to the aid of Madam Patience. That's just say, as I see, customers mienu and the GCB and Casa Womojuma F1 so mienu and rush here echo say, hey, again the air to mammy into a more quack of buano. I said the GCB staff were actively involved in fetching water in cups to use to resuscitate whilst the deceased daughters went out to call the taxi driver. One more the taxi driver and a buyer. It's assembly see because you see assembly see just within 5 minutes. So the taxi driver meaning say not taxi driver no one more catch say one train or more. What you say? Inti assembly see no GCB staff no. Yomo yan so moko sign isio se wo mu di be gugu maame ne so e na maame ne ba e rahye call abonten se wo ko frɛ taxi driver na na se ya be fa maame na rahye no e de no akọ Rich Hospital. Iti ne ba ne ya asa no ne yete se yese GCV staff bi e ka kire ne ba ne se da bi hospital bi e ben wo mo GCB ho eye bank no hospital bi boy wo mo a hospital ne friend no Bob Freeman Clinic into wo mo nya fast no mo fa maame no nko ho mom e na ne ba ne ka se da bi maame no wo ne personal doctor e wo Rich into Rich Hospital ana che se wo mo de o mo ebekọ na sebe wo aboye staff na wo ba ka se da bi yen fa me maame untumi nka hwe enti wo mo jae e ma maame no wo mo de no etena ka mu a wo mo de no call Rich Hospital no eno ane se wo mo beti ane se maame no ne ba bema a ye friend Raymond no ono na wakotena Facebook a wo se GC before din se ane na ne maame ba ho no che se negligence nti na say na say na GC before abetron krata ka se ya asemo almost asem because we share time Ghana ye womu especially say corona na wobi atiahwe a won keka ne ho na nko wobi kraba ne ho say we die ebia na ye corona ni bia na ye mame nti mame mfa me ho enkoka no but GCB staff forget about that particular thing still wo de omo ho ekoka mame no inti sa mame ne ba ebe se wo mudin wo Facebook no mame ne ba no wanya de at least na kan so mame ne ba no kra ohun ne se asem we die GCB aya de now wo ko mame ne ba no nso ne Facebook page a uhun sema watra wo se the negligence of some staff some staff and workers of Adabraka GCB has contributed to the death of my mom. And no, any asamo a maame ne ba, Madam Patience Kuma, ne ba your friend Raymond, or they to the Facebook page. What's your comment ba sia, just say ye chabo GCB enye chaketwa. Nkrofu chabo mo, ebi mo kra tagi GC before. Ebi mo tagi GC before ka se GC before mo mehe de abrantie yi tro mo mehe de mo ka de abrantie yi wo kan fa mo ho enu hu ti na GC before hu ne se da bi we de abrantie ne se ye din tie wo se ye ba bonten e de nsem no e ba betu dwa na GC before we no mo ka se abrantie yi kra no enya de a na wo ho wamba bi abrantie wamba bi nti ade na wo se otumi ko say GC before din wo mo GC bi no wo mo di adanse say yes ya o ma mi free mu a ya but na ntre say e ma wo kwan say obekwa ko say GC before din wo sha GC before esanso ebe throw wo mo statement no abrantie no still on the Facebook page a wo ko so sisi a ono so still our trust massa mo negligence a inti akwa say communication problem bi you don't know who is saying the truth now whether abrantie na wo ni ho no story a ye no ana ye GC before ndi obi beka say GC be their company dey sisa na ya wo mobile to the PR work but you see GC before we asema wo mo de kan ho ne say wo mo they are not medical experts say abrantie no eka and asema abrantie no eka no it suggests say maame no ewu ye ewo GCB banking hall ho ankasa but the omo kan say dabi wo mo nya medical experts say wo bi ewu ene ne Ghana mra no say wo bi ewu no eye doctor ene betre say nipa ku we ewu medically it wo mo there yes the woman was motionless but they could actually see say the woman wasn't dead, she was actually breathing, just that she was motionless. Inti wo mo there wo mo susu say enyo mo because mame ne nwu ewo eho we nwu wo mo banking ho say na branch na percent crofo eye den eti ase no asem we there eya akoye say owuo ho asem nti no just say uni hobia untumi nhye dan kan na papa. And you see, these things happen because Oh, sir, institutions in here, people don't believe in them when they come out to say things like this because they hire people to speak for them. They have PRs. Womo won krofo a asem si a womo ba bonten ye be kasa emo. And then I can give a typical example. Just like Ghana, coronavirus lockdown wa ACC a soldier for ni police wo bobo nkrofo. Soldier ni PRO ana nipa wakasa ma soldier for Ghana soldier for ni wo ba bonten e be kasa na wo mra bonten be kasa. Wo say o videos na ye hu ni ya no e fake. Meanwhile, we are seeing the videos and they are real videos as soldiers airbo Ghana for but almost a fake. Internet ya say some people are saying oh ECG me say ECG GCB no they are just doing PR work. Ebimo believe in the omo kan ebimo so ka say dabi PR work. Eno ne nsem a aba. Montra mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say may the woman's soul rest in perfect peace. May their soul rest in perfect peace. Now, as same way near GC before, I read a comment under their post. GC before, so I'm posting way on Facebook. Now, I read a comment under their post, and now, many Japan. Now, the Nipakone kind say Ghana, because we are not serious with life. Ever since Ghana, your former vice president, Ewuye, nanke Hwa, nanke Ose Ghana, compulsory. Emma school ni bia wo ye adwuma bia eye first aid and na me no ka se me Ghana ni ma ko school Ghana ma ko school ekodu the highest level I can attain university me wie nya me degree ni bibia me ko in KNUST che say university phone so but ask me whether I know anything about first aid. Say ebia me ko baby na obi te hwe de wasa me ye the protocols I need to follow. Ask me and I'll tell you no, I don't know. Ask 99% of Ghanaian students who go school, even those who are professors, and they'll tell you they don't know. Why? Because Ghana no I say who go school inyama hu hia ni e trel. Inyama hu hia ni e trel. But inyama ebe shape your life. Inyama ebe saving the lives of people no yentre. Imagine say nanka ya inculcating to Ghana your educational level right from kindergarten to the highest level. Ya tremo anadebia ya tremo first aid. Ukoto say wo bi nya accident ade wasa wo ye. Insure for wo bi ade wasa wo ye. Uti say wo ana wo say wo bi te hia de wasa wo ye. Ansana ude no abekwa hospital krano. You see, that is very critical. First aid is very critical. If you get your first aid right, ubetumi amane bakone krano ansana ude no abekwa hospital no na ne ho ato na kakra. But you see, these are things we need to teach in schools by yentre wo be ko school awie Ghana wo be ko school aye degree de na so first aid na wo nim na he mami te hwe e wo banking staff no and bankers no de wo mutumi ye ya ne se wo mo sansuo egu mami nani so, and that is one thing Ghana for ye ni na ye nim whether condition na mami no go through the crano eni kwan se wo di nsuo begu ne so kra you don't know, but because eno pa ne nim wo bi te hwe ya mo sansuo mra ye fengu ne so obi te hwe ya mo sansuo mra ye fengu ne so eno ne ye nia ye nim. But as to whether the condition and the bakuna come no the medical condition no ehia sa ade ne krana you don't know. Ebia na wo de wa dream no hu ne se wo pese wo ye nipa kon ne papa na so ebia na wakọ akokun no rather ebia na inso na odi kogu ne so no na nka hu hia wo de akọ akokun no rather. There is something wrong about our education system in this country. There is something wrong about our education system, and it is because Ghana has said no, we don't value lives. We don't. Now can you value life pa? Maybe when they say like one of the most compulsory subjects like Ghana it was say yetumission one of the most compulsory and no there like course bia wo ye bia like we say wo sia e first aid. Very simple. One of the most compulsory. Every level class 1 or class 2 o ye tremwa wo ye degree wo ye professor de nyenyen ka master's degree ka bo say ye show first aid anka no wo bia be go school na ko bi be go school from class 1 akwa do GSS 1 kra na at least ya train the first aid nyama for better 7 years inti wo nim kra no wo nim bibi so me ya de no obi te hwe at least we na wo say me ye wo bi yes ya e wo say me de no eto so position bi say mu wo bi entumi hu me ya e wo say me dane na chi say at least nanka ye stress ade no every time e wo school you know like you will know. And I don't understand why simple things that will save the lives of people like this, no. Young person, your debate, your educational system, and you see these things, no. Obeka say, into your opinion for the crown, just say, in the man who here, Ghana school, and then go for the previous school, Munye Jumanye, because of school here, and will appear, no, one name she. I am very passionate about this thing, and you see, Ghana wo na ye betumi aye nyama bebre na ye saving lives. We can do a lot of things to save lives. But you see, ehun here I say yen fa ho yen dwen ho just say oh nanka ade aye ke pa nanka what is wrong with it? Ade nanka ye ke simple things like this. But I say, oh, who goes school? And what is matter? Matter is a DNA, and one who are chigu, ye 3 1, who will school now, Yejuma, will be no whatever decide what is matter. And the divide the X, and the coffee, and how many boys left? Just say, in some Hunu Kwana Ghana schools yet. In some Hunu. And what's the biological name of cockroach? What's the biological name of tomatoes? What's the just say, in about Hunu Kwan, yes, you have to your trim. As I know, critical times in life can who to me find here. Sabin previous a cry will fear. One of the back be say critical time in life. One of the baby say a cran biological name ye day. Now so na Ghana ye tre schools. And then we assess students based on this. Oh, just say yes, a cran biological name will to me and can not just a colano wa born yengwano. We need a mental reorganization. We need an educational reorganization. Ghana, and you can't say you follow blindly. Say we are seeing in our way no more yet into Yansuye Bidabi. And I am sadly way American once more. I am very passionate about just that. I have not had the opportunity to speak on it. And I feel that this is the right opportunity for me to speak on it. I am very, very passionate about these things. You see, I am very passionate about these things. Because what bet you was I want here? Me now for 410. I'm a new money a school, K University. Me now for 410 in here, maybe someone say, oh. Unim bibi about first aid. I met me actually say, unya ba ko kra wo beka say, oh, minim say nipa we ebia ne hometia we na wasa me ya me de beboa. You will not get. The any man say, will be a tissue for my ebia ye dinso kogu ne so ana ye ration alcohol hospital. And you see that time I will ration alcohol hospital no, ebia wo be do no, na time I run it out na we wu. Nanka unim some first aid ade ebia wo betumi ama nipa ko no ne ho ato ne kakra bi mpo a nanka no ano no. Why don't we teach these things in schools? Why? Penny bit yenya. On answer ne ho. Why don't we teach these things in school? Maybe the other say right from kindergarten in kolan na ya sha say ye tre wo mo first aid. We be do classes no one nim. We be do classes no one nim say dabi ye bobo na kwame e tissue from na say wo so ne ho ofo ma we na wasa me ye ansa na ye ko free teacher no obeba na ye de na akwa hospital. You akola ne be hu because you've been teaching obedo classes no what try akola no sa de na for 6 good years. It has been part of akola no. We be do SS no. Me a trainer for so many years. Inti I want the fingertips no. When I'm chrome, no will be tissue pet when him there was a way. He knows the protocols to follow. Obedu SS no and a JSS no. Oh, no we sure for so over 10 good years. I want insano. Insure for will be eba when in there was a one year will be saving the chrono. Ati asye. Inyama winning na ni then people are just dying just like that. We don't value lives in this country. We don't. Mame no may he so may he so rest in peace. Ebusiano say your mom shedding. Your mom shedding. Montreal comment box me for me that's it.